the conduct of the National Assembly, I am appointing Secretary Alcosi, PDP National Vice Chairman, to continue with the presiding of the meeting. Secretary Raul Lambino, PDP Vice President for External Affairs, as moderator for this National Assembly. If there's no objection, then we proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Secretary Alfonso Cusi is hereby appointed to continue with the presiding the meeting, while Secretary Raul Lambino is hereby appointed as the Assembly moderator.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman, Secretary. Nakakatuwa naman ngayong gabing ito na napakarami ng attendees natin. We were not expecting to have this kind of attendance tonight. And I congratulate everybody. Napapakita natin ang suporta natin sa ating partido, especially to our chairman, Mayor Rodrigo Duterte. So we'll proceed with today's meeting. And today we have an agenda that was prepared and approved last April 19 in Cebu when we have our national convention. And this agenda is here with us. And may I ask our moderator to please proceed with the reading of the Assembly's agenda.
Thank you, Mr. Vice Chairman. I have the honor to read the agenda for today's National Assembly. We have done already with the invocation, the national anthem, the recitation of the PDP Laban Creed, the determination of quorum, the opening remarks of Mayor Sebastian Duterte, the approval and adoption of the agenda, the report of the National Council, the election of officers, of taking of the newly elected national officers, of taking of the new PDP Laban members, and the introduction of the chairman and the chairman address. May I move for the approval of the agenda, the National Assembly of PDP Laban.
Second the motion.
There's a motion. Any second the motion? Seconded. So our agenda for today's assembly is hereby adopted. Thank you very much.
Mr. Vice Chairman, at this juncture, may we ask Mayor Sebastian Basti Duterte to deliver his opening remarks.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome to Davao City. Welcome. So, unang-una sa lahat, salamat masyado kasi tinatanggap nyo ako as Executive Vice President of PDP Laban. I am very grateful and very honored. And I gladly accept this position. Gusto ko lang din malaman nyo na kung bakit ako sumali sa partido natin. Kasi unang-una sa lahat, baka kailangan yung matanda, kay puro bata yung nakikita ko dito. Pero nung narinig ko, nagsialisan yung mga membro ng PDP Laban, inisip ko, I thought to myself, then this must be a good opportunity para sumali because it has been filtered. So yung mga natitira dito ngayon, yun yung may mga bayag. Kasi kung gusto talaga natin na may tunay na pagbabago, kailangan ang paninindigan ng tao, ng isang individual. So, nasubukan yung partido, yung mga gustong i-preserve o gusto mag-survive ng politika nila, wala na. Mga nandito, gusto ko sumali sa inyo kung kayo ay naniniwala pa rin na ituloy ang laban, sasama ako sa inyo. Kung gusto talaga natin baguhin yung bansa natin, at least alam ko, yung mga kasama ko, handang magpakamatay para sa bansa nila. Yun lang ang kailangan ko. Kahit konti na lang tayo, basta alam ko lang yung kasama ko, yun din yung nasa puso at isipan. Wala akong problema dyan. Ubantang mga matay tanan kung patyon ta nila, pero usara ang nastong kasakasing ugunahuna ang atong nasod ang mahal nating Pilipinas. Hindi ko na ipataasin pa kasi marami pa tayong item sa agenda. Again, welcome, and again, I'm very thankful for having me as your Executive Vice President. Thank you and good evening.
Wow! Palakpakan muli natin ang ating Executive Vice President, Mayor Baste Duterte. Before we proceed to the other items of the agenda, let me acknowledge also the presence of former Secretary Wendell Avisado, who is now going to be inducted as one of our top officials of PDP in a matter of time.
We shall now proceed with our agenda, but before that, again, I'd like to thank Mayor Baste for your message to the Assembly. And sinasabi ko nga po, hindi ako titigil hanggang October 8 pa ako para manligaw. So, Mr. Secretary General, please render the report of the National Council by reading into the record all the resolutions passed by the National Council during the meeting in Cebu for the year 2024.
Thank you. There are 4 resolutions that were approved during the assembly in Cebu City. Resolution number 1, activating party institute and nominating the members of the faculty thereof. Resolution number 2, resolution inviting Vice President Sara Duterte, Congressman Paulo Z. Duterte, and Davao City Mayor Sebastian Duterte to be the members of the PDP. And we are very thankful, Mr. Chair, that Mayor Baste Duterte has already acceded and taken his oath and now our Executive Vice President. Number 3, resolution number 3 is the resolution to convene the National Assembly and set the date, time, and place thereof. And resolution number 4, resolution to establish alliances with HNP, Reforma, PDDS, and MRRD, NECC. These are the 4 resolutions that were approved upon during our National Assembly in Cebu City, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Madam Secretary General. At this juncture, may I ask the National Assembly to approve the resolutions passed by the National Council during the meetings for the year 2024.
There is a motion, duly seconded. The motion is approved, and this resolution is hereby adopted by the Assembly. Just for the information of the body, as announced, Mayor Sebastian Duterte already is a member and the officer elected as officer of PDP. And today we will be implementing resolution number 4 with the signing of the MOA later on. So we now proceed with the presentation and ratification. But before the ratification, I believe that we should already proceed with the signing of the MOA, Mr. Moderator.
Yes, Mr. Vice Chairman. May we ask first the President of the Partido Reforma, former Speaker Congressman Pantaleon Alvarez to sign the memorandum of agreement for the alliance of Partido Reforma with PDP Laban. We also ask PDDS, the federalismo ng dugong sambayanan, ng dugong dakilang sambayanan of Chairman Greco Bellica, and the MRRD and ECC under President Franklin Quijano for the signing of the agreement of political alliance between PDP Laban and these respective political parties or organizations. And on behalf of PDP Laban, our own party president, Senator Robin Hood Padilla, will sign on behalf of our party. Mabuhay po ang reforma, mabuhay ang PDDS, mabuhay ang MRD-NCC, mabuhay ang PDP Laban.